The Elikliv EDM12 10-inch digital microscope stands as a testament to precision and innovation in the world of microscopy. This advanced model, equipped with a 12MP UHD camera sensor and a high-quality display, redefines the way we observe and capture the microscopic world. Let's explore the main features that make the EDM12 a standout digital microscope. 10-inch LCD large screen display. The EDM12 boasts a generously sized 10-inch LCD screen display, providing a clear and immersive viewing experience. This large screen ensures that every detail is vividly presented, making it an ideal tool for a wide range of applications, from scientific research to educational purposes. Continuous 50x to 1300x magnification. Experience a seamless range of magnification with the continuous zoom capability ranging from 50x to an impressive 1300x. This allows users to explore a variety of specimens at different levels of detail, making it suitable for tasks ranging from soldering inspections to intricate biological studies. Wide application. The EDM12 is designed to cater to a wide range of applications, making it a versatile tool for professionals, hobbyists, and educators alike. Whether you're engaged in soldering work, scientific research, or educational demonstrations, the EDM12 adapts to various scenarios with ease. New tech with UV filter. Incorporating cutting-edge technology, the EDM12 features a UV filter that enhances the quality of observations. This new tech ensures that the images captured are true to life and free from unwanted distortions, providing a more accurate representation of the specimens under observation. Convenient remote control. Enhancing user convenience, the EDM12 comes with a convenient remote control. This feature allows users to control the microscope's functions from a distance, providing flexibility and ease of operation, especially during detailed observations. Take photos and videos recorder. With the 12MP UHD camera sensor, the EDM12 enables users to capture high-quality images with a maximum resolution of 4023 by 3024. The video recording capability at FHD 1920 by 1080 30 frames per second ensures that users can record real-time observations with zero delays, creating a valuable resource for documentation and analysis. Adopted 10 LED light design. Illuminate your specimens with precision using the 10 LED lights integrated into the EDM12 design. This feature ensures uniform and adequate lighting, allowing for clear and detailed observations even in challenging conditions. The well-designed lighting contributes to the overall quality of the images and videos captured. Solid metal frame construction. Built to last, the EDM12 features a solid metal frame construction. This durable build provides stability during observations, making it an ideal choice for applications such as soldering work where precision and stability are crucial. In conclusion, the Elikliv EDM12 10-foot digital microscope is a comprehensive and advanced tool that brings together cutting-edge technology and practical features. From its large LCD display to the continuous magnification range, UV filter technology, remote control convenience, and durable construction, the EDM12 is tailored for excellence in microscopy. Whether you're a professional in need of precision tools or an educator seeking to inspire curiosity, the EDM12 delivers a powerful and versatile solution for microscopic exploration.